Hey guys, how's it going? So I wanted to quickly show you how you can use Teespring to start making sales with your t-shirt line, right? So I promote always Shopify because I love them as a platform. But the reality is I also recommend that you don't get started on there right away. Why? Because Shopify has a 29.99 commitment that you have to pay, right? And we're just getting started. We're testing out our t-shirts. We want to know, what do people like? This is a great option. It's print on demand and you don't have to pay a monthly fee, right? So I just want to go ahead and show you guys how to set up your t-shirts on Teespring. And I'm actually about to create some CBD shirts because I just joined this company and I'm promoting their CBD products, and I'm in a few groups and people have been asking about the CBD shirts and I keep sending them Amazon links. Granted, the Amazon links are my affiliates link, but I'm like, wait a minute, I could make more money actually just creating the t-shirts, since this is like a whole popular thing happening right now. So as I created it, I wanted to show you guys how I'm gonna do it. So this is the Teespring site. You're gonna go right ahead, teespring.com, and then you're going to create an account. So click on where it says login, or you could click on get started too, actually. I'm used to going to login because I already have an account, but I'm just gonna go ahead and create something brand new as if I don't have an account. So you can use Facebook login, that's what I have, or no, or Google. I'm gonna use Google. I like just using Google or Facebook. It just makes life so much easier. So, all right, for today, Teespring, waiting. Okay. So, I hope my account doesn't come up. So very quickly, before you go on Teespring, I want to inform you that you should create your designs first. So whether you're using Fiverr, whether you're using a graphic designer, or you are using Canva, right? Which if you took my t-shirt brand masterclass, I go over that in there. Um, you want to have your image first, right? So that's one. I actually don't have an image. I'm just gonna use their stuff. So we're gonna click here. So now we're gonna go to get started. And it's so easy. Like, they make it so easy for you to get this money. And they have a lot of videos too to help you out. So I am going to get started. See, so just to quickly show you, they have t-shirts, little baby stuff, socks, leggings. What is this? No, I don't need your help. Towels, phone cases, right? So they have a lot of stuff. So I'm going to click on women's t-shirt, of course, and I want to pay attention to the prices, okay? I like to go for whatever is the least expensive because, again, they're going to charge you this amount, right? $13 plus shipping. Shipping on average is $4. So technically, if I'm paying $13 for a shirt plus $4, right? Do the math. What is that? 17, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes. $17. So how much am I gonna price the shirt for, right? So always pay attention to that, guys. I was actually looking at these V-necks. This one looks cuter, but you know what? This one is 12.76. I like this too. But I was looking at these T-necks, and then you're gonna click on sell because we are selling these babies. You know, I like the the other one. Can I go on there? Whatever. This is for teaching purposes. If I learn something else, I'm gonna show you. Oh, maybe here design. Uh, I don't know what the heck preview design means. Oh, that's to actually preview it. Duh. So you will either go on add image if you have your image, or add text because they allow you to write your own text. So it's very simple. So I am gonna be creating. I really am creating this, guys, by the way. But I'll be going in here and playing around with it a little bit more. So I'm gonna make some it's CBD time shirts because again, I joined this company and it is trending, guys. It is really trending right now. And then look, they have multiple colors, so you will go on here and you choose whatever color you want. So, um, red, and they're gonna add all the colors there. Blue, black, and then for your black one though, you definitely want to change the font color if you are doing, because you won't be able to see it. Although it looks like it, but you won't be able to. So I'm gonna just take that off in the meantime. You can also make it white. White will work for everything. Then you will click done. And of course, guys, you will sit here and play around with this. Right? Excuse me. You're going to play around with this. They have a lot of different fonts that you can, test out. Ooh, why it looks like that though? I kind of like this, right? It's CBD time. Maybe, I think I would like it if I could like, ooh, right? That looks a little bit cute, right? It's CBD time. That's kind of cute. But anyways, so you will go in here. Ooh, I like this a lot, guys. You can't see it, but I think that would be cute. The white one, I think, is tough. Ayy. Anyways, I'm about to order this right now. So then you're gonna click here and set your price. I'll I don't know. So see, it says $10 profit. It's not a $10 profit. Again, they're not telling you about the shipping cost. So remember that I'm giving you the tea. I'm probably gonna sell this for 25 bucks. I'll probably sell it for less because this is not my brand. This is just something I'm literally doing because it's trending and because I am starting my CBD dropshipping business. So I am gonna be wearing these shirts in all of my videos. I don't know how much I'm gonna price it. I'm just gonna put 25 for now, right? And we're going to click on continue. And here's what they allow you to do. They allow you to add more styles of t-shirts, right? Or other apparel. Automatically, you're just going to click it because the design you already created, it's already uploaded. Or if you're uploading an image, and then you choose whatever you want. How it looks on the leggings. What it says. Let me see that. I want to see what that looks like. So then I'm going to click on, I really just want the t-shirt, but I have this thing, guys, where I like less options because I want you to go to my website and not be confused at all. Like, if I only sell a t-shirt, I only sell the t-shirt. You're not going to be like, I don't know, should I get this? Should I get that? Because when people have options, that's when they get confused. But maybe that's just me. So, is that the one? Oh, that's the men. So this is the one, right? We can select this one. I definitely want that V-neck. Oh my God, they're confusing me. Where is the t-shirt that I picked from the beginning, guys? So that's already automatically selected, the t-shirt that I want. This is if you want more styles. I do want to get the long sleeve because I might order the long sleeve for myself. And then they have more styles. So once you click it, they're going to show you the other styles. Classic, premium. What's the difference? This one costs $12. That's the one I want. And I am going to order this, guys. I always, once I get a design that I like and I see the t-shirt. All right, so this is being super slow and I'm not gonna sit here and wait for it to load. The video is already gonna be 10 minutes. I didn't want to make this too long. So yeah, so as you can see, they help you out. You get to choose what other styles you want. If you want to add more products, right? Just with that design. Every time you have a design, you still have to go through this process. But I want to show you guys something. I wonder how that looks. But anyways, so then we're gonna click right here. Oh, they have other stuff. You can click on accessories and let me just show you out real quick. Right? They got the phone case, they got the tote bag, they got the mugs, all that cute stuff. They got stickers. Then we're gonna click on continue. Now, this is what's gonna happen. They're gonna create the listing for you. So we're gonna name this, it's or whatever you want to name it, right? You want to get creative. It's CBD time. And I'm going to go over descriptions because even I need to go into my website and really edit my descriptions. When I first started my Shopify site, I went in and I don't think I have any of my old listings anymore, but I really went into sharing something behind whoever your ideal customer is, right? Think about them. So I would probably say something here like, it tells you, tell a story behind your design. So, um, ready to relax and get your body right. You know what time it is. It's CBD. And I'm typing extra slow because I got these claws on. It's CBD time. And then I will probably say something about the fit. You know, go look at other websites. What do people look for? Public. You can make, is there an option to make, oh yeah, you can make it private or unlisted. We want to leave this public, right? If anybody sees it and they like it, they can buy it. Because here's the thing about these websites, what they do, because there's other websites that do the same thing as Teespring. I'll give you guys a list of them so you can play with them on your own. I am showing you what I personally used and what I've made money off of. I'm not going to sit here and show you something I've never done. So I will give you a list of other sites, but I've used Teespring. So what they do is they put it on their website as well. So if somebody's going on there, which I don't know how many people actually shop on these sites, but maybe they do, they show it to them. And actually, now that I think about it, they email me. Teespring does email people their design. So that means that potential clients that you may not be thinking about may see your t-shirt and they might want to buy. You never know. Hasn't happened to me yet, but hey, may happen to you. So to better customize your experience, which of the following best describes you? Content creator? Sure, whatever. Continue. Instagram, Facebook. I'm gonna go with Instagram. Continue. Thanks so much for the input. I guess they're, serving their customers. Oh, I want to order samples. This is new. I'm excited. I'm going on there maybe I'll do it with y'all right now or but I want to play around with this a little bit more. I really like that design. So this is gonna be your link. There you have it. All you're gonna do now, guys, is share. You can share it by clicking, and you see the colors are here. Ready to relax and get your body right. You know what time it is. It's CBD time. Get your shirt, whatever. Create another listing. So this is where you would go to create another listing. And then I also want to show you, this is also why I really like Teespring. They create a little storefront for you. So let's go to get started. And what am I gonna name this store? Just for now, it's CBD time, whatever. Create store. So let's add our first product. Let's add products. We already have this, so boom. I'm gonna add that to my store. How do I save it? Check off, done. Done. If you wanted to come in here and add more products, you would go to settings. Is it in settings? I don't know where that link is. Yeah, go back. But anyways, I'm not sure how is it, but there's somewhere on here. So this is what you want to do. You're going to go in here and play around with this. So you can edit your header. You can upload a logo if you have one, which I had one. I had a Teespring Billionaire Coming Soon site before I went on Shopify. This is what I'm telling you. I like this. So you can upload a logo. You can change the color. So me and my pink, I love. Ooh, that's super cute. Oh my God, I want a shirt that color that says that it's CBD time. There's an apostrophe missing here, isn't there? Go ahead, English person, correct me. See, I put it on here. Anyways, so I'm going to save this because I'm totally using this. Banner. You can upload an image. It'll upload that for you. Yes, I'm not doing nothing. Products. That's where you do it. Add products. You will click on this button right here, add products. And there are no products here. So I have to go back and actually create more products, right? You would have to go back. About, then you can create a nice little thing here. Can I name this? This is interesting. I don't remember this part. It's CBD time. Is that the way it works for real? Let me see something, guys. They give you a domain like that? I don't think so. But anyways, settings, automatically display product categories. Enable cross-selling, suggest other campaigns from the store. So basically what that means is if somebody's looking at one item and you have other items, it'll pop up in the bottom, which is pretty cool, right? You never know. I've shopped from Teespring sites from like other people online, and I end up looking at other stuff like, oh, actually, you know what? I think I want this. So go to store, and this is the link that you are going to share with people. Boom, bada bing, bada boom, Beijing. And then they can see women's t-shirt. You'll have all your products. This is the link right here. Right? So let's go back to dashboard because this video ended up being, I promise you guys I want to make videos short for you because I know how it is to watch something. Maybe I'm talking too much. All right, so I want to go over this. This is your dashboard, right? And I want to make sure that you get paid. That's always my most important thing, right? So you want to make sure that you go on here where it says payouts. You currently don't have any profits to get paid. Launch a listing. Is this where it is? Choose your product. Okay, no. That's not it. That's not what I want to show you guys. What I want to show you, where is it? Is it in settings? I haven't been on here. Mm, you need to fill this information out, right? This is all important. You put your information in there. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, here. So, me and my PayPal issues. If you follow me, you know I got PayPal problems. They don't mess with me. I think I opened too many accounts. That's really what it was, honestly. So you want to go in here and set this up, guys. This is in your settings. I guess payouts is when you start making sales, then it'll be in that area right there. It'll show you, yeah, that's exactly where it is. You'll see like this. I'll show you guys once I start making sales because I'm gonna make money off these shirts. Watch. You want to fill all this information out, and if you have a PayPal, you can go ahead, just put it in here, set address. And if you don't have a PayPal, if you got issues like me, go ahead and create a Payoneer account. I have one. It's basically just another way to get paid. You'll have to create the account. You could go through that process. If you have any questions about it, let me know because I can help you. Because people like me have PayPal issues. And yeah, you get your money from there. So that's pretty much it. This is just the overview, guys. Um, Teespring is another option for you to use. You can create a storefront, which is really why I like it. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop it down in the group so that anybody watching can get it. I'll see you guys on the next one. And I'm totally going to show you my CBD store.